Hello friends, come closer, Bluey hears a buzz. Buzz louder, louder, her ears wiggle fast. From the flowers, surprise, a giant bee appears. Big, fluffy, funny, it wears a tiny hat. Hello Bluey, buzzed the bee, fly with me today. Bluey claps, tail wags, yes, let's fly high. The bee lifts gently, wings shine rainbow sparkles. Bluey gasps with wonder, wow, this feels magic. They zig, they zag, clouds drift far below. Bluey shouts with joy, I'm flying, I'm free. Golden light glows ahead, a hidden meadow sparkles. Bluey points with awe, look, a honey waterfall. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, join more magic adventures with Bluey. The bee sips honey, Bluey tastes golden drops. Sweet like sunshine, she says, her tail wiggles non-stop. They play tag laughing, buzz echoes through flowers. Giant daisies bend gently, whispering secrets of dreams. The bee twirls slowly, Bluey spins with delight. A honeycomb castle appears, tiny bees wear crowns. Bluey bows politely, bees cheer with joy. They gift her wings, glitter sparkles bright gold. Bluey twirls like fairy, the giant bee claps. Sunset paints soft colors, orange, pink, and gold. Bluey sighs with wonder, best buzzing day ever. She hugs the bee, warm, gentle, happy. Promise to return soon, her voice sweet and soft. The bee winks kindly, then fades into mist. Bluey waves goodbye, sweet dreams, buzzing friend.